General Sinona or General Sinona has resigned. Good evening. Hello, guys. We have breaking news today. General Sinona, the one and only Leseja Sinona, head of Hawks, a KZN. Yo, hayi bethunana. Izothiwa nalento. Niyakhumbula kaloku uRichard Sibiri. Richard Sibiri was fired after a disciplinary hearing yaka SAPS. And yeah, he is without a job. He was about to retire, but khange lifike ke elo xesha lokuba retire. Nanku ke ngoku uLeseja Sinona, ndiyakhumbula kaloku uba ebevele kwiMadlanga Commission about the Port Shepstone drugs. Port Shepstone drugs involve a bust that happened Maiden Wharf, that happened a harbour yaseDurban, whereby Warrant Officer Jacobs and Brigadier Nyuswa were involved. So Onyuswa pointed out in the person who stole the drugs from Port Shepstone is linked to management. So asazi ke into yokuba zebiwa ngubani. And kaloku drugs ezikosta millions of drugs. I've made a video about it before. So niyakhumbula into yoba ezi drugs futhi zasiwa endaweni that had break-ins, several break-ins, no CCTV cameras, and no alarm system. And hayi bethunana kuningi. And abantu bebevela, they all say no, the keys were with General Sinona, the original key and the spare key. Ukuba ke ngubani owazebayo ezi drugs, niyakhumbula uCarl Sander naye he made his testimony about the drugs, and naye uthi General Sinona moved him from the narcotics department wamsa ku-supply chain because he believed into yoba he was stepping on one's shoes. Ukuba ke ngubani lo one's shoes, what no, umntu uyaziwa owaba i-drugs. Everyone knows him. So why? Kodwa ungasho wathi no, andizongummention. So uresignile ke uGeneral Sinona. He could not wait to retire because naye I think it's about few years for a retirement yakhe. Nisakhumbula futhi uGeneral Sinona is a very close friend of Vusumuzi Cat Matlala. He's the one that was questioned, why did you forward these messages? Why did you forward the exclusive information yaka SAPS to Cat Matlala? What did you want Cat Matlala to do with this information? And he could not answer. And some information no, it was on social media and everything. General Sinona is the one that arranged a meeting for General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi amncede about the purchase orders zaka SAPS tender. And then wathi uSenona ke uyamazi uMkhwanazi into yokuba angakwazi assista. And then they made an appointment to see Matlala. Matlala came down to Durban and they had a meeting, and it's the same meeting that people said uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi did not disclose about the meeting. Kanti uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthi he had the flat wired and everything. So he was waiting for the moment for him to say he received money from him or he gave him Woolworths bag because everything was captured, voice recordings. Hey, Ntlatle Mkhwanazi, it's on another level, I'm telling you. So asazi ke into yokuba njengoba ke General Senona resigned, because if you retire you reach your age, your pension. So resignile. If he is going to be able to be prosecuted, but I think criminally, because if they found Indoba he participated in those drugs that were stolen, then he will need to be charged according to South African law. But asazi ke zichomi zam, thank you so much. Hey, ndingalibali ke uShongwe. Hey, zininzi bethunani. Shongwe, Vusi Shongwe, niyambona mos uShongwe lo wemkhonto wesizwe party, MK party. Hayi ke, he came on Madlanga Commission today to spill the beans. Explosive evidence about General Khan and General Khan and Julius Malema. Ushongwe General Khan, he does not understand why he is not called, or why he was not called the ad hoc committee, and they discussed that. And Julius Malema, he just mentioned him. EFF was the one that was against Indiokuba. That was against Indiokuba uShongwe abizwe kwi ad hoc committee. No man. General Khan abizwe kwi ad hoc committee. So Julius Malema is linked to Khan. Anyways, ke Julius Malema akaphumi ekuthetheni, uhlale esekuthetheni. And kaloko it was also mentioned into yokuba uKhan ubethitha, if you take this class to understand, ngo Julius Malema into yokuba alanto ke abhodloza indaba, get information from intelligence using everything that they use. Ayinike uJulius Malema, uzova uJulius Malema sethetha indaba zakho eParliament, ungazi into yokuba uzithatha phi ezindaba. Sahlale sisithi ke hey uJulius Malema uhlakaniphile, kwathini kanti hayi unabantu bakhe sona bamprovide nge-information. So yeah, and ke ngoku ke uthi everyone wanted into yokuba uJulius Malema Feroz Khan afike kwi ad hoc committee, but umnganakhe uJulius fought into yokuba angayi kwi ad hoc committee. But and understand kaloku bebaninzi kangaka bangade bona bebadala kangaka balantu kwengu bohlulwe nguJulius Malema. Bohlula njani uJulius Malema? Because kaloku iEFF ayikho ninzi. If kuhlangana Action SA, kuhlangana PA, kuhlangana ANC, I mean they would have outnumbered Julius Malema and make that proper decision to call Feroz Khan as was defend. Yeah, understand. So yeah, and another thing ke uShongwe uJulius Malema kwakufanele into yokuba if une information I share nabo about uFeroz Khan, kuvunyelwana into yoba why engafuni afike kwi ad hoc. Siphume ke apho uVusi Shongwe kuphinde wamentiona into yokuba ke ufuna uGeneral Khan avele kwi-commission because igama lakhe alipheli kaloku i-Eratin bust. Niyakhumbula leya drug bust includa Chief Mashaba, includa Tumelo Nku, includa abantu abaninzi. aba bafika bawavala, then kwafika i-SAPS nayo kwaliwa, and caba aba bazo like lento ngoku le Eratin bust as drugs zibhilonga kule cartel, kufika abanye bazoziba kulo kwaba, yinto engacacanga nje. So ne role, because kuthiwa kwafika uFeroz Khan, wafika yena buqu, kwafika uKhadwa mnganakhe ke, kwafika uKhadwa kwi scene. So ufunelwe lonto ko uKhan. One of the things ekufanele azos clarify kwiMadlanga Commission into yokuba what was his role kwi-Eratin bust, drug bust. Akafuni ke nako ke esithi udutyulwe, and yeah, i-SAPS is still investigating that. Kuphinda kuvele into yokuba ke uFeroz Khan consult evidence or ilantuka i-murder case ikadokotela. Kuthiwa there was a doctor that was busy with operation of Mosaed sons in hospital, and then into yenzekayo the son lost his life, and yeah, kwaba kanjalo. So Mosaed confirmed to someone or confessed to someone that I just unalived that doctor, because what is that? So yavalwa lonto leyo into yokuba uMosaed angatshutshiswa, because kaloku uMosaed lo kubhesti ka Feroz Khan. Kuthiwa khona ne-makeup artist that lost her life, then uFeroz Khan wabuvala ubunqina. Zizo zinto ke ezo ekufanele into yokuba ke afike azoziphendulela, and zininzi into ekufanele azoziphendulela. Yho, hayi nam bendizovele ndijampe kwi-building. Kuningi. Yebethu nani. Thank you so much for watching, my people. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much. Bye.